Have you ever been to a place where you witnessed our global plastic problem firsthand? There is a global plastic tragedy, no doubt, but up to now I never noticed that with my own eyes. Out of sight, out of mind. This changed when I was invited to be part of the beach cleaning team on Gomera. I'm Giant Cheerio, a bicycle traveler, and this video is dedicated to AGLAYMA, a non-profit organization on the Canary Islands. Today, I'm gonna take you with me for a day of beach cleaning. This is Hugo. Once a week, he drums up a mixed group of people to get on the water and clean the beaches of La Gomera. The beach cleaning team consists of people with various nationalities and all ages. Some of them take part at the cleaning sessions every week, others participate once or twice. Driven by sharing the mission of keeping the environment clean, we take off by boat and we're heading towards today's destination. The team goes ashore and everyone starts picking up plastic waste. Each team member starts collecting the waste, and it doesn't even take a couple of hours to fill up a large trash bag with plastic waste that is laying around at the beach. Garbage bag after garbage bag is being put on a little motorboat and piled up on the boat we came with.
Hola, aquí estamos en la nuestra típica recogida de basura, grupo basureros.
What are we gonna do now?
We're going back to La Villa to get rid of all the trash here.
And where's all the trash going to?
So that's recycling trash. It goes to Tenerife to get recycled there, because all the rest which is not for recycling goes up there. The problem with a lot of wind, a lot of plastic flies down to this beach here, and yeah, we're collecting all the waste which is not separated really well and which is blown down from the...
So eventually there are 3 different ways of how the plastic waste ends up laying around at the beaches. The issue with the beach we were cleaning that day is that the plastic gets blown down from the local waste disposal site. Another fact is that the plastic ends up in nature due to careless behavior and not putting plastic waste inside a bin. And the third cause is that the plastic that is floating in the sea is being washed up on the beaches. We're on our way back to the harbor. All the trash bags full of plastic are piled up on a truck to get transported to Tenerife, where the recycling process is going to start. I'm a traveler, not an expert of environmental pollution, but I needed to be part of a beach cleaning session to reconsider some things. We do have a global plastic problem, there's no doubt, but honestly, in the past I kind of closed my eyes and didn't dive deep into detail of this tragedy because, again, I didn't have any interfaces with the global plastic problem. Out of sight, out of mind. But where does my garbage go to? Is the country where I put my plastic inside a bin capable of handling the huge amount of garbage we're producing? Or is it actually my own plastic waste being sold and shipped to other countries where it ends up being poured into the ocean just to be washed up on a beach? Out of sight, out of mind. Or what do you think? For further information about the AGLAYMA organization, volunteer work and donations, you can find their website link in the video description down below. I'm saying cheerio, goodbye, salut and adios, and I'll see you next time.